Good evening to everyone. This is C.H. John Paul, lecturer in English of Sri Venkateswara College of Arts and Science, Amlapuram, affiliated Adikavi Nannaya University, Rajamahendravaram. Now we are discussing about the English subject, second year, third semester, third unit. Already first unit and second unit completed. Coming to the discussing about the third unit short stories. The fifth one is the interpreter of melodies. The interpreter of melodies is written by Jhumpa Lahari. This is the short story name. Now we are discussing central theme or idea or character about the writer, intention of the writer. The interpreter of melodies. You know the title meaning. Melodies means diseases. Interpreter of means translation. It means bhashyam. The interpreter of melodies, Jhumpa Lahari. The intention of in this short story mainly one culture identity against foreign cultures and relation between males and females and existence. At the same time, establishing social relationships under changed environment. For example, you have moved to Delhi. You think people in Delhi dress, eat, and behave like the ones in Andhra Pradesh. Justify your response or feelings, opinions. Totally change the culture, dress, code, food, behavior, traditions, cultures. All these things are completely or nearby changed. So, particularly shows in this lesson the interpreter of melodies is communication gap and dissatisfaction. This is the main theme. Communication gap and dissatisfaction. Communication gap is found even between people who speak the same language, but that does not mean character don't communicate. This is the main intention of the writer or title intention. Now we are going to discussing about the author name is Jhumpa Lahari. So the present short story, The Interpreter of Melodies, was written by Jhumpa Lahari. In full name, Nilanjana Sudeshna Jhumpa Lahari. She was born on July 11, 1967. She is an Indian American author. Her Interpreter of Melodies 1999 won the 2000 Pulitzer Prize for Fiction. Her nickname in Bengali, her dark name. Lahari is a member of the President's Committee on the Arts and Humanities. Her book, The Lowland, published in 2013. was a nominee for the Man Booker Prize. She embodied American culture, but her roots are still India. This is details about the Jhumpa Lahari. She was a great short story writer, and at the same time, he is the main theme, the intention of the culture or fiction, humanities, etc. And her books, the important books, Life of Jhumpa Lahari, the Namesake 2003, The Lowland 2013, Unaccustomed Earth 2008, The Interpreter of Maladies 1999, and Harvard's O. Henry Award 1999, Pulitzer Prize 2013, National Book Award for Fiction. These are most important awards gained in his life of Jhumpa Lahari. And coming to the mainly in this story, the whole story play three characters or three characters. One is coming to the summary or theme of the short story, mainly Mr. Das, Mrs. Das. The both characters are wife and husbands. Had children's Rina, Bobby, Tina. The Rina, Bobby are brothers, Tina daughter. Rana and Bobby brothers, Tina daughter. These three children. And the second major character is Mr. Kapasi. Mr. Kapasi. He is a tour guide. These three main characters, one is Mr. Das, second one is Mrs. Das, third one is Mr. Kapasi. Okay. Central idea we are explained. I would like to explain about the central theme. Jhumpa Lahari was born to India, emigrates in London. Her family moved to the United States of America. When she was a small girl, thus she imitated American culture, but her roots are still in India. Mainly shown this in short story, Indian culture against foreign cultures. Indian culture and foreign culture. The three characters introduce the personally Mr. Das views everything from his camera. Generally, I explain one by one characters' importance. Miss or Mrs. Das, Indian Americans visiting the country of their heritage. Here, middle-aged tour guide Mr. Kapasi as their driver for the day as they tour. Mr. and Mrs. Das are not comfortable couple. Mrs. Das is a selfish and indifferent to her children. Mr. Das uses everything from his camera. He has no feelings. He has no feelings. Mr. Kapwasi begins to develop a romantic interest in Mrs. Das and speaks to her privately. Okay, just introduce the characters. Mrs. and Mr. Das are couples, and Mr. Kapwasi a tour guide. Coming to the story, the author describes the Das family who are from America. The family of Mr. Das consisted of 5 members. Mr. and Mrs. Das were about 30. The 2 boys, Ronnie and Bobby, were very young and they had a younger sister named Tina. Mr. Kapwasi is a tour guide. He guides the Das family to famous Sun Temple at Konark in Odisha. Mr. Kapwasi finds that Mr. Das and Mrs. Das are not at all else with other. He observed that they don't really enjoy taking care of their 3 kids. Mrs. Kapwasi, in his conversation, tells the couples that he works also as an interpreter it means translator, at a doctor's office. Disinterested, Mrs. Das suddenly shows interest in Mr. Kapwasi, as she thinks that an interpreter in importance and romantic. Are you understand? The family, Mrs. Das, the Mr. Das family visited the famous temple, Sun Temple at Konark in Odisha. Their family consists 5 members. They have visited to Konark Temple. On that time, some situations are happened. The both couple not move happily. There completely communication gap and dissatisfaction. They and Mrs. Das not move closely at that time. They have individual feelings. At the same time, not care their children also. These all situations subdued Mr. Kapwasi. On that time, he introduced to Mrs. Das. Myself so and so, I am a translator. I work at a doctor office. I convert to the information to doctor and people. These like introduced to Mrs. Das. And Mr. Kapwasi starts to develop crush on Mrs. Das. He wants to take the whole family to another tourist place so that he can spend more time with Mrs. Das. Mrs. Das reveals a secret to Mr. Kapasi that her son Bobby is not the son of Mr. Das. Actually, nobody knows that. The truth except Mrs. Das. It make Mr. Kapasi to lose respect and interest in Mrs. Das. And he visited another tourist place. On that time, Mrs. Das reveals a secret to Mr. Kapasi. Hello, I have one secret, that is the boy of Bobby is not the son of Mr. Das. Actually, this truth he didn't know. At the same time, nobody knows. He shocked. And why you have said this secret to me? Mr. Das, along with the children, starts playing with the monkey. After came time, it is found that Bobby is missing. At least they find him surrounded by monkeys. Mrs. Das asks Mr. Kapasi to help. Mr. Kapasi announces the monkeys off and carries Bobby back to his family. Later, the family returns to America. The theme of the interpreter of Maladies is communication gap and dissatisfaction. Communication gap is found even between people who speak the same language, but that does not mean characters don't communicate. They do it, but we can find breaks in it. There is no proper communication between couples. Mr. and Mrs. Kapasi and Mr. and Mrs. Das in a spit of being a good interpreter. Mr. Kapasi remains silent in the presence of his wife. Mr. Das has his own world with his camera, and he would like to look around through it. He fails in maintaining good communication with his wife. The next thing is dissatisfaction. Mr. Kapasi's wife is not satisfied with what her husband is. Similarly, Mr. Kapasi expresses his disgust about his wife. Mr. Das is not loyal to her husband due to dissatisfaction. There is a wide gap between two. This is the whole story of the interpreter of Maladies. The interpreter of Maladies. In this examination of point of view, mainly asking characters, importance of the characters. Coming to the question wide answers. The first most important character, three characters are there: Mr. Das, Mrs. Das, Mr. Kapasi. And first of all, write a character sketch of Mr. Das. ORR. What does this expression suggest about him? ORR. How does the story justify the description? These like asking questions. Only one answer. Coming to the question wide answer. Character or sketch of Mr. Das. Sketch of Mr. Das. Mr. Raj Das, full name Mr. Raj Das, a science teacher in America. Science teacher in America. He said that he used to take his students every year to the Museum of Natural History in New York to give practical knowledge to his students. This is the main point of as a teacher. Not only says the words, also show the practical thing. From the narration, we can understand that he was a very simple man and nothing complicated except his camera. It means it is easy to make him out. He was also an outspoken man. And second para, he had an argument with his wife, who asked him to take the girl to washroom. From the words of Mrs. Das, we can also understand that he would take anything in a lighter vein, and an example of it is his Punjabi friend had illegal relation with his wife, but he could not at least suspected them. He had no analytical and observation skills. Any husband in his place would have found out the relation between his friend and his wife, but he utterly failed in it. This is the character of sketch of Mr. Das. Most important question. The next one is coming to the another most important question. Sketch the character of Mrs. Das. Or comment on the character of Mrs. Das, the most important character in this short story. Mrs. Das' fundamental failing. Mrs. Das' fundamental failing was that she was proudly selfish and self-absorbed. Completely, she is a egoist or selfish woman. Her romanticized view of Mr. Kapasi's job at hospital led her to tell him her top secret. This is very bad thing. She asked Mr. Kapasi for an advice but failed to get a one. Mrs. Das was selfish, disliking to share her food with her own children. Reluctantly taking her doctor to the bathroom and refusing to paint her doctor's fingernails. So she openly commented on her husband and mocked his enthusiasm for tourism, using the fact that they were no longer in love as an excuse for her bad behavior with the Punjabi man 80 years ago. Mrs. Das did not like the Americans' flaws and proofly behaved children and selfishness. She had no concern for the environment or surroundings as she dropped her rice snacks all over the ground. By and large, he had no real love and affection for her husband and even on her children. She was a self centered woman. This is the speech of Mrs. Das. The next third important character is comment on the character of Mr. Kapasi. He is an interpreter or translator. Okay.